And good morning, everybody. It is currently 4:30 a.m. We'll be heading out for church very soon. Very big, important day for Avery. We're going to be heading out to the Capitol so that way she can have her last set of practices before her dress rehearsal and the actual recital this Saturday. So until then, let's enjoy our church service with the family. Inside a kitchen of actually one of my wife's bosses who is making her own restaurants called the Green Heart. A pretty nice kitchen that they were just showing it off to us, and I gotta tell you what, it's just an honor to be able to have the opportunity to even have these kind of places to go to, and my wife having these kind of people that she has these kind of contacts with, because I tell you what, I would love to know that I could have a full-size kitchen like that right outside of my house. But we're over here right now, and we'll probably see what else we're going to be doing a little bit later. And a good morning to everybody. It's going to be another weirder transition through this video. By the time that we were getting done the other night, we were already back here and just had to take care of a lot of stuff. You know, wife took care of a lot of baby's bottles. I had to do a little few projects such as cleaning the car, which I hope looks pretty nice now. Nothing like detailing wise, just a nice clean, as well as a few other things. So right now we're just setting ourselves up to actually be going out to my wife's office, because this is going to be the important day for all of the visa work, the paper printing and getting all those kind of things set up and finalized before we can actually take care of, you know, the petitioning side of things. But right now, setting up some breakfast. So until then, when we get over there, have a good day. Get her last little bit of clothes that she'll need for her ballet recital. So we're here at the Kimsan. Let's see what we can find. Super excited because I am finally back at a location that I have not been to in almost 2+ years. One of my favorite burgers, and this one's called Getaway 634. Let's go. And a good morning to everybody. We got ourselves another amazing day coming up. This will be officially Avery's recital day. Breakfast of the choice today, beef loaf. So let's go. Couple of hours of basically just getting some rest time in, getting all of Avery's ballet clothes together, all the little additional stuff. We are officially here quite early, but you know, that's exactly what we're here to do. Make sure that everything is going to go perfectly for this night. The whole reason why we're here. So let's go.
like that, it wraps it up, and Avery got herself her medal and a certificate.
I don't like this medal.
Oh, she doesn't like it.
I want some
But it's okay.
flowers.
And so this is gonna wrap this up, and we're gonna have ourselves a big trip coming up in the next couple of days. So until then, my name is Cab, and I'm here to drive you crazy. Aloha, God bless, and take care, everybody.